Welcome back. Today I'm going to be tackling the closet. This is number 2. First one I finished actually came out really nice. Except in this one, down here in my left-hand corner, I am going to have to do a little work.
And here is our underfloor heating. And as you can tell, this is how it came. So I'm going to have to build a door of some kind or find a door, maybe just make a cheap shaker door that I can put on there.
You guys will be amazed to see this when it's done.
Anyways, I'm going to take these down, these 2x4, and yes, that's how the light was when I moved in. I didn't do that. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Oh, they were planning on some kind of stenciling, but I guess they couldn't. They're planning on stenciling, but they couldn't do it too well. So.
Day 1 is over, and it's all down. Next time I should have this all skim coated and ready to paint. So
yeah, that light is still needs to be fixed, but I have a new light for it, so that doesn't matter. All right, here we go. Getting ready to put in the closet.
well, it's renovation closet day, and I have found my new favorite tool, the Bosch green laser level. That thing is amazing.
If you don't have one of these, get one.
It has cut the time down to almost nothing. I was spending most of my time yesterday just trying to get that one rail straight. And I went out last night because I have 3 more of these closets to do. And in 15 minutes, I've gotten up the last 2 rails that I needed to do. And I'm getting ready to actually hang the corner cabinet. Once that corner is done, the rest of it builds off, and it seems like no time. The cabinet system we got is highly rated, but only has 2 stars for directions. And I think the 2 stars is because of explaining how to put up these rails. They're a little difficult.
If you don't have one of these, get one.
It's finished. The first of 4 closets is done. So I am very happy with the way it turned out. You got the drawers that work. So happy. It just came out really nice. It came out really nice. Some of this, now that I know how some of this goes up, it's going to be a lot easier. This was fitted. I actually had to fit this. So this is fit against the wall. I do like this system. I really do like this system where it's just a metal, put this up, holds pretty much everything up against the wall. I think it came out really well. And the light, I love this light. Found that at Habitat for Humanity for, I think that was $8. So the only thing we have a blanket down right now. So there's a blanket down here. We're going to be getting carpet to carpet this whole thing. And what I like about this is it's not on the floor. So when I put down the baseboard in this room, it's going to look super nice. So I'm going to very likely, I'm going to paint the door. So I have to paint this door and put some trim around it, and that should be done. I'm not really worried about that right now because I'm getting ready to go and finish the walls in the second bedroom. So that's the latest update like I said, this is just really nice. Turned out super nice, and I love we have all of these hangers now, there and there. So there's 5 hangers in here. You got tons of room. This set was just phenomenal, and the paint. I'll tell you what, that spray painter, it is amazing. It does a wonderful job. So until next time, you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.
We don't have the floor done yet, but this is the concrete floor that was in here. So I am super happy the way that this came out. I have all my clothing. Everything is right where it's supposed to be. Ceiling looks great. And like I said, we're just waiting for the carpeting. As soon as I can paint the other room, we can get this carpeted.
If you like these videos, please subscribe and like them. It doesn't make me any money, but it sure does tickle my ego for all of the time it takes to edit these videos. So again, just hit that like button. Actually, I think it's probably over there. Hit that like button down below and subscribe. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.